Hi, my name is Alexa Gutierrez, and today I'm going to show you integration power rule. The power rule of integration gives you the general solution for the integral of variable raised to any power except -1, which represents a special case. Since integrals are antiderivatives, in other words, if you integrate the derivative of a function, you end up with the original function. Think of the power rule of integration as doing the opposite of what the power rule for derivatives does. Alright, so let's look at the general rule. The function x to the nth dx equals the integral x to the n plus 1 divided over n plus 1 plus c. Now let's see some examples. Alright, so let's start simply easy with this first example. The question is asking, what is the integral of x cubed? We can use the power rule where n equals 3. Let's recall our first general rule. Okay, so now let's look at our problem. So we can easily see how it would just turn out to be x to the 4th over 4 plus c. Simple enough? Alright, let's move on to something else. Alright, for our next example, our function's going to be a little different. Alright, for our solution, it would be 4x to the 3rd divided over 3 minus 6 to the 5th over 5 plus c. Simple enough? Alright, let's move on to something different. Example number 3. What is square root of x to dx? Alright, in this problem, we see a square root. Square root of x is also x to the 0.5, or x to the half. We can use the power rule where n equals 1/2. Alright, here we can see how we changed the function from square root into x 0 to 0.5 dx, which equals x to the 1.5 divided by 1.5 plus c. Alright, example 4 is 9x to the 1/2 dx equals 9x through the 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus c. which then goes to 9 times 2/3 x to the 3/2 plus c, which then reduces to 6x 3/2 plus c. We can see in this problem how we multiplied by the reciprocals. It's an algebraic step. Alright, example 5 is 3x squared square root x cubed minus 2. Meaning that first of all we would have to start off by rewriting the function. Which would come out to be x cubed minus 2 to the 1/2 side 3x 2 to the dx. And here we can see how x, it would come out to be x to the 1/2 dx, and then it would equal out to 2/3 x to the power of 3/2 plus c, which would then lead us to our final answer, which would be 2/3 parentheses x squared minus 2 close parentheses 3/2 plus c, which would be our final answer. Alright, well that concludes our tutorial today for integration power rule. Thanks for watching.